Yes. So good morning, children. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Yes. Good morning. Now, uh, open to your Grammar for All book, page 10. Grammar for All, page number 10. Okay. So open to page number 10. Open to page number 10, children. Yesterday we had done question words. We started with the question words. Yes. Yes. Yes, Anvi. The same page. Okay, so we had started with the question words. The first word we had started was the question word where. When do we use where? What did we do in yesterday's class? When do we use where? We use yes to ask about a place. Now, for example, I gave you yesterday. We are going for a picnic. If I tell you that we are going for a picnic, what will your question be? What will your answer be? Yes, we'll say, yes, ma'am, where are we going? So we are asking, you are asking about the place which we are going to visit for a picnic. Okay, then this is what we did. Yes, good morning. So we started with the question where. Today we will ask the question who. Use who to ask about the identity. Okay, now for example, I'll say the doorbell rings. Okay, now somebody is come at the door. Put your for your mic, sign on. Somebody is come at the door and the bell is ringing. So what will I ask you? You'll ask who is come home? Who is ringing the bell? Why do we use the word who? Because we want to know who is come. We want to know about the person. We want to know who it is. Some identity of a person. Okay, are you getting me? Now another example I'll give you of somebody broke the glass. Okay, somebody broke the glass or somebody broke the window, the glass of the window. Then we will ask, like, who broke it? Now you want to know who broke the glass. Okay, so what happens here? You will use, ma'am, who broke the glass? You want to know the person who has broken the glass. So what happens in this who? In where when do we use who? We use who when we want to know who it is, who the person is, or who has done it. We want to know the identity of that particular person or anything. Right. Now, for example, yesterday there was a match between India and Australia. Okay, then what you will say? Ma'am, who won the match? Yes? Will you ask me the question, who won the match? Why will you ask me who? Yes, you want to know. You want to know the identity or you want to know which team has won the match. So you ask who won the match. So this word who gives the identity. So when I say India won the match, so you also will know, yes, India has won the match. Give me an example for who, children. Question words with who. Who is this boy? Yes, you want to know who is this boy. Okay, right. Who is? Yes, Ameda? Yes, who is sitting beside me? Very good. Who is sitting on the bench? Yes. Now, for example, the teacher is not there in the class. Yes, the teacher is not there in the class, and most of the students are sitting on the bench. So when she comes in the class, she tell, ma'am, this child was sitting in the class. So what will the teacher say? Who was sitting on the bench? Huh? Yes? Please be loud. Be loud, children. I can't hear you.
Who is painting?
Who is?
Painting. Painting.
One of you speak. One of you speak. Three, four are speaking together. Yes, Anirudh. Who is painting? Yes, who is painting on the wall? Yes, good.
Who is sleeping in the room?
Very good. Who is sleeping in the room?
Who is running in the corridor?
Yes, very good. Who is running on the corridor? Not in the corridor. It is on the corridor. Who is running on the corridor? Yes, Rudransh?
Who is in the door? Who is sleeping?
Yes, very good, very good. So this is when we use the question word who. Yes, yes, enough. Yes. Now we will. Yes, yes, enough, children. Now we learned about where we learn. Yes, yes. We learned about where, we learned about who. Now we'll use the question word why. Okay, we'll use the question word why. Now listen to me, then you answer. I will explain you, then you give me examples of it. We have completed with where, now we have completed with who. Now the next question on page number 10 is why. Use why to ask the reason about something. Why is Aman crying? Okay, now for example, I'll say, where did mummy go? So I'll say, mummy went to the market. So what will be my question? Why did she go? Okay, now why do we use why? When do we use why? We use why when we want a reason, when we want to know a reason about something. Why did my mummy go to the market? I want to know the reason. So what will happen? I will say mummy went to the market to buy fruits because there were no fruits in the house. So my mummy went to the market. So what is happening here? I'm using the word why because I want to know. Okay. Now another example. Two students are fighting in the class. So what will the teacher ask you? Why are they fighting? Okay. Or who beat whom? Who hit whom? Who scolded? Okay. Who slapped? Who gave any bad words? So what happens here? I'm asking what happened. If I get to know why were they fighting, I want the reason. If two students are fighting, why? I'll ask you why were you all fighting? So I will use this word why because I want to know the reason why the children were fighting. Yes, children, are you getting me? So the word why is used when you have to, yes, the word why is used when you have to know the reason. When you want to know something, you know what, you want to know the reason. Now, for example, mummy, your parents will say, Chalo, we'll go to Bombay. Or say, Chalo, we'll go to Goa. What will you ask? Why are we going? You want to know na? Why are you going? Yes or no? So the first question you ask is, why are you going? Okay. Okay. So the first question you want to know is why. The first question you want to know is why, mummy? Why are we going? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You want to say why all of a sudden we are going outside? Yes. You say why are you taking me to Goa? Why are you taking me to Pune? Or why are you taking me to the doctor? And she says, Chalo, we'll go to the doctor. You says, why? What happened to me? So when you want to know the reason, you use the question word why. Give me an examples now, children, for why.
Why she is going?
Be loud, children.
Why we are going to Jammu? Why people are wearing? Why are you wearing?
Yes, why are you wearing a raincoat? So you want to know why are you, one of you, one by one. Children, again you are continuing. I told you I will take the name. I told you I am taking your names. Again you all have started. Everybody has to get a chance. Bhagyashri, tell me. Bhagyashri. Yes, Bhagyashri.
Why is it a holiday today?
Yes, why is it a holiday today? Very good. Suddenly principal ma'am tells you, listen, Kirti. Suddenly principal ma'am tells you it is a holiday. So you want to know the reason why it is a holiday. So your question will be, why is it a holiday today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Can I tell?
Yes.
Samita,
Yes, Ameda.
why are you crying?
Yes, why are you crying? Good. You want to know the reason why someone is crying? No, now we'll stop. We'll move to the next question. Listen, everyone. I said we will move on to the. Listen here. I said we will move on to the next question. All will get a chance. So this is put off your mics now.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Put off your mic now. Put off your mic now. Everyone will get a chance. Now, for the next one, we have completed with where, we have completed with who. Now, whoever didn't get chance will get a chance to wait. Akriti,
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
nobody is going to tell anything. You all listen to me first, let me explain, then I will ask you all. Okay, so our next question is what? Use what to ask about something. What is he looking for? Now, if you want to ask about something, you use the question what. Okay, I mean, for example, I'll say, what are you saying? Okay, or what are you telling me? What are you asking me? I want to know something about it. Okay, now for example, uh, I tell you something. Okay, I tell you some things. Okay, but you are not able to understand what I say. Then what will you ask me? What, ma'am? What did you say? Because you have not understood or because you want to know something, you use the question what. Now, for example, I'll ask you, what are you doing? Why should I ask you what are you doing? Because I want to know what are you doing. I want to know what is going on. I want to know what is there happening. If I say what is happening outside the gate, what is happened there? People are collected, people are gathered outside the gate, outside the school gate. Many people are gathered. So if I see, I will keep asking somebody what happened there. Why are there people collected? So many people collected near the gate. Why will I use this word what? I will use the question word what because I want to know why the people are collected for what. I want to know something. Why are the people collected there? What happened there? I want to know what happened there because people are collected. So many people are there. So I'll say, what happened there? Why is the rush there? Okay. So when I want to know something, I will use the question what. If I want to know your name, so what will I ask you? I will ask you what is your name? Why will I ask you what is your name? Because I want to know what is your name. I want to know something from you. Or else I'll say, what did you have for breakfast? I will use the question what because I want to know what did you have. So I will ask the question what did you have for breakfast? What did you do in the picnic? What did you do in your grandmother's place? Or what did you do in your vacations? I will use the question word what Because I want to know something or you want to know something. So when you want to know something, you use the question word what. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Or another example, say, what is there in your bag? You go to the market and you come back. You go to the market with your parents, your mummy, and you come back from the market. And I'll ask you, or somebody in your house will ask you, what did you bring? What did you do? What is there in the bag? Why? Because they want to know what you brought. Okay, they want to know what is there in the bag. So to know something, you will use the question word what. Okay, now start giving me examples. I will take the name, only then you will answer.
Then can I tell?
I said I will take the name. Others you have completed, so I will give a chance to somebody else.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes, Gagandeep. Can we give me example, Gagandeep, of what?
What we are doing.
Yes, what, Gagandeep? Be clear.
What are we playing?
What are you playing? Okay. Yes, good.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Who's that? Who's that?
Ma'am,
Who is this I?
Translation, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, Ashlesha.
What did you learn in the class?
Very good. What did you learn in the class? Good. Nice sentence. What did you learn in the class? Good. Yes, tell me. Yes. Yes, yes, Vinayak.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Kirti, wait. You have already spoken. Give chance to the others. Yes, Vinayak. Yes. Rudransh, be more clear, beta.
What
Repeat.
is the problem in the internet?
Yes, what is the problem with the internet? It is not in the internet, it is with the internet. What is the problem with the internet? Very good. Next, who's that?
The title.
Who is that? Tell me your name.
Ma'am,
Yes, Akriti. Tell me.
what are you doing?
What are you doing? I am taking the class.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
It is the same question. Change the question. Somebody's already asked the same question. Change the question.
No.
Yes, Vinayak.
Can I tell?
Yes, Vinayak. Yes.
Can I tell?
Yes, Tanvi.
Ma'am,
Yes, Tanvi. Yes, Tanvi. Bhagyashree will give chance to the others also. You have completed. Yes, Tanvi. What are we playing? What are you playing? Okay. So this was about the question what. Now put off your mic. Put off your mic, everyone. Yes. We are done it now. Put off your mic. Put off your mic. We will go to the next question. How? Okay. The next question is how. Use how to know about the way something happens. How will I go home? Okay, now you want to. Mayur, I said put off your mic. Okay, put off your mics now, everyone. Okay, so the next question is how. Use how to know about the way something happens. For example, how will I go home? Now, when do we use how? We use how to know how it has to be done. Okay, now I'll give you examples. If you want to know that, I want to know, like for example, I will give you is, how did you fall? Okay, now I want to know how did you fall, because I want to know how it happened. So when you want to know how it happened, you will say, ma'am, this boy pushed the leg in between, or if I did not see the steps, so that is why I fell down. How it happened? So you want to know how things have happened, you use the question how. Okay, now another example I will give you is, you went to the you went to visit your grandmother. Vinayak, your mic off. You go to visit your grandmother. Okay, you go to visit your grandmother, and her house is a little far from your house. So I will ask you, how did you go? How did you go to your grandmother's house? Okay, or I'll say, how did you walk? Did you go home? So you say, how did you go? Ma'am, we went by bus, and it is raining outside. It's raining very heavy outside. So mummy will say, how will you go to the market, or how will you go to the park? It is raining outside. So you want to know when something happens, how it happened, or how did it happen? Okay, what happened? If you want to know all this, we use the question word how. Okay, or by chance, by mistake, or something happens, you fall on the road, you hurt yourself. So what happens when you get back home, when you get back to school? How did it happen? Because somebody wants to know the reason, how you fell, how did you get hurt. Okay, so all this, when things occur or when something happens, you use the question word how. Okay, now for another example I will give. How was your day? You say, ma'am, my day was good. So you give me an explanation of how was your day. I'm asking you the reason, or I'm asking you what happened during the day. How was your day? Tanvi, put off your mic. So I'll ask you, how was your day? So when I'm asking you what happened, that is the time when I ask you, you use the question word how. Now give me examples for the word how.
Then
Yes. Yes.
how we are going to
Yes, Anirudh. Yes, Samruddhi, tell me. Samruddhi. Yes, Samruddhi. Samruddhi, tell me.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
It is not who are you, it's how are you. Then,
Can I?
yes, Suman. Yes, Suman.
How we are going to Taj
How?
How we are going to Taj
We are going to, 1 minute. How we are going to, repeat once again, how we are going to, repeat once again, repeat it once again. Yes, yes, tell me.
How are you studying lockdown?
Yes, how are you studying in the lockdown? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sainath. Yes, Sainath. Sainath, tell me. How did you? Yes, yes, tell. Be clear in your question, children. I'm not able to understand you all. Open your mouth and speak clearly.
Ma'am, how was summer holiday?
How were your summer holidays? Good.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, tell me.
How do we go to school?
How do you go to school? Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Mayur. Yes, Mayur.
How you? Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, I said wait when somebody else is answering.
How you are working?
How are you working? Okay. Yes, Afan.
How we go to school?
How do you go to school? Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Ameda.
Ma'am, how do you?
Tell
Ma'am,
me.
can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
How you working?
No.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes. Yes. Tell me.
How did you write this now? Can I write the Hindi word?
Say once again. Repeat once again.
How can I write the Hindi word, ma'am?
Yes. How can I write the Hindi word? Okay. Good.
Can I tell ma'am?
Yes. Tell me.
How did you replace this? How did you replace this car?
Very good. How did you repair this car? You want to know how it happened and how it got repaired. So you ask the question, how did you repair this car? Very good.
Ma'am, how was your birthday party?
Very good. How was your birthday party? Good. Yes. So what did we do today, children? We completed with the question word who, why, what, and how. Okay, so what I want you to do is, I want you to prepare 3 questions on where, 3 questions on who, 3 questions on why, 3 questions on what, and 3 questions on how. Okay, we have not completed when we'll do in the next class because it's already time up now for the class. So for your homework, you are going to write what? What is your homework, children? What's your homework?
Write 3 questions. Page number 11.
Yes, yes. In your English classwork. Yes, on page number 10. No, not the D part. The D part we will solve when we complete it. As a practice for you, I'm giving as a practice. Don't write anything on your in your grammar books. When we are doing it in the class, we will solve it together. As a practice for you, in your English classwork, you can write or at the back. Okay, the last pages you can write. At the last pages you can write 3 questions on where, 3 questions on who, 3 questions on why, what, and how. Okay, so all this you will write 3 questions. If you have any doubts, we will clarify it in the next class. Am I clear, children? And the last one question when we will complete it when we meet in the next class again. Okay, if you have any doubts, we will solve it in the next class.